Hi, my name is Diana Long and I'm the Microsoft representative for UCLA, and today we're going to talk about some Windows 7 accessories that might be useful for many students. First of all, we're going to talk about the calculator, WordPad, Post-it, sticky notes, sound recorder, Paint, and the math input tablet. So first of all, I know a lot of students, they use their calculator for daily calculations, but the cool thing about the calculator now is that there's different types of views. You can go to the standard one, which I know many use. You can use the scientific one to do more mathematical equations. You can go to the programmer, statistics, and another cool feature about calculator is that there's these worksheets where it allows you to calculate your mortgage, your vehicle lease, your fuel economy, things like that. You can look at mortgage. You can just input a monthly payment, and it'll calculate everything for you. So this is one of the cool things about Windows 7 calculator now. So now we're gonna close this and we're gonna talk about maybe this new feature called the math input tablet, and you can first of all write different math equations, so to T, and you can erase that if you want. So it's really cool. You can do different equations and things like that. So like x squared, and hopefully you'll read that and things like that. So it can help students with any of their math problems in situation where they want to write it out and put it on like a Word document or whatnot. So now we're going to talk about something that a lot of people are familiar with but has a different look. We're going to look at WordPad. So here, WordPad, it allows you to insert pictures, and it's like a very basic view of a Word document. You can actually now open any of your Word documents as into a WordPad, and as you can see, there's different things you can do. You can like zoom in, zoom out. You can change the measurements from inches, centimeters, and whatnot. So there's a lot of different things you can do with WordPad these days. You can definitely insert pictures, insert objects, change fonts. So it's a step up from what we had on XP and Vista. So now we're gonna look at another familiar accessory, which is Paint, which allows you to do a lot of amazing editing, just a very basic editing, and you can insert pictures, you can do different colors, edit the different colors, and so really the new ribbon has allowed Word and Paint to be much more efficient for people who want to do a lot more editing and different things like that. So there's different brushes, so you can play around with that. They have some cool ones. You can write Microsoft really oddly. So these are just some of the things that you can do with Paint. So check that out. And we won't save, but that's just Paint now. Now we're gonna look at Sound Recorder, which allows you to record. If you have a mic, you can speak into it and start recording a soundbite. And then as you can see, it's starting to record myself, and we can stop it, and then you can save the clip and then use it for a video and whatnot. And so we are not going to save. And so also the sticky notes, I mean, everyone loves to just have it handy. You can write down and jot down all your notes, and you have it here. You can change the different colors. You can change it to pink, you can change it to purple, and so this is just a neat little accessory that allows you to utilize all of Windows 7's new features. So I hope you learned something today. This is Diana Long for UCLA Microsoft Student Representatives. Thank you.